Several users have been asking me, Maverick, how possible it is to use the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege credit card. And today I'm going to be making a review about this credit card and possibly it's able to help you to make the best decision when it comes to selecting this credit card. My name is Maverick and I welcome you to this channel. Now let's head straight to this tutorial. The RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege credit card claims that the users can earn 1.25 points per dollar and you'll benefit from a wide coverage of insurance. Among them are trip cancellation and interruption insurance, out of province or country emergency medical insurance, rent a vehicle, collision or loss damage insurance, mobile device insurance. Well, is all this worth it? Well, let's explore this further. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time. And any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. I have some benefits here that I'm going to talk about. I have like 6 benefits that I see about this card, and I'm also going to be talking about the drawbacks and also some possible stops which we're going to be discussing in this tutorial. Now the first benefit that I see about this credit card is the airport lounge access. Now the card offers 6 airport lounge visits per year, which can be valuable for travelers who appreciate access to lounge for relaxation, refreshments and amenities before their flight. Another benefit that I see here is expedited security. Now, from my research, some users, told me that, the expedited security has a benefit of the card, which can save time and hustle is the reason why they really like the card, okay, especially for frequent travelers, all right? Although they still talked about the drawbacks, which I'm going to be talking about later on, but they said the fact that it has this, benefit of expedited security, which saves them time and hassle at the airport, has, helped them as a frequent traveler. Another benefit that you should know is the points redemption. Now, the ability to transfer points to British Airways with a potential 30% transfer bonus, which could provide good value for certain travelers, particularly those interested in booking premium cabin flights, is a good benefit that this card also offers. Talking about another benefit that I see about this card is the special booking feature, okay? Now, you can get a special benefit related to booking first class or business class ticket with this card. Now, where each point is worth 2 cents, okay, when redeeming points for this flight. Now, this feature could be advantageous for travelers who frequently book premium cabin fares. So, if you book premium cabin fares, this benefit of special booking feature where you get 2 cents per point, which is worth redeeming, is a good one for you. Talking about another benefit of this card is the travel insurance. Now, some users of this card, which I asked, they kind of appreciate the travel insurance benefit, that often come with premium credit cards. And talking about the, travel insurance, they can typically include, coverage for trip cancellation, okay, interruption, delays, baggage loss, and emergency medical expenses, and several others. Another very factual benefit that I want to talk about, that I see about this card is, why there were criticism of this card's point system. I was able to realize that some users may still find value in accumulating points for various rewards, because such as travel, merchandise, or gift cards, okay, and depending on your preferences and spending habits. Although I also have some skepticism regarding this card value proposition compared to its annual fee. Those are the benefits that I can see about this card. Let me talk about the drawbacks I see about the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege credit card. First one is the high annual fee. Now the card carries a significant high annual fee of $400, which some users and even a user like me perceive as overpriced compared to the benefit that this card offers. The annual fee is too exorbitant compared to the benefit that it offers. Now, the second drawback that I see about the credit card is the foreign transaction fee. Now, despite the annual fee, the card still charges a foreign transaction fee of 2.5% exchange when converted to US dollars. Now, which can add up for frequent travelers, all right? Because particularly those who frequently travel to the United States, this is kind of too high. Another drawback that I see is the comparison with other card, because when you compare the RBC Heavy on Visa card, infinite privilege card with other cards such as the HSBC World Elite Mastercard or the Scotia Passport Visa, they offer similar or better benefits at a lower annual fee, because there are several other cards out there that offers a good benefit, offers both benefit that this card is offering at a lower annual fee. You can try and research more on the HSBC World Elite Mastercard and the Scotia Passport Visa card. All right. And also we have points devaluation, which is another drawback. This card, decreases value of points when redeeming for anything other than flight. Okay, I've seen a lot of users complain that points conversion on non-flight related items has gotten worse over time, because this diminishes the value proposition of the card. So that means if you are not redeeming the points other than flight, then the value of the card keeps diminishing and it's not getting as valuable as it is. So meaning you accumulating points even looks redundant. Now another aspect that you need to consider for a drawback also is the limited acceptance. Now I've asked several users who noted that the Amex Platinum offers more benefits, okay, than these, but they may have a lower acceptance rate compared to Visa, okay, or MasterCard. Now, particularly in certain regions like Toronto. All right. So now this is another thing that you need to consider. Okay. Poor customer service is another setback which I see. A lot of complaints have been about the customer service provided by RBC, with a lot of people are complaining of the long wait time and difficulties in reaching a representative, especially for credit card related inquiries. Additionally, there were criticism of RBC's handling of points and their perceived lack of transparency. Another point you need to know is the point flexibility. Now, users have mentioned the limitation from my research and difficulty in redeeming points for desirable rewards other than flight. Now, this lack of flexibility reduces the perceived value of the point system associated with the card. Another drawback that I see here, okay, there's a lot of drawbacks with this card, is several other cards, giving more benefit at a lower or similar annual fee. Cards like TD or CIBC Airplane VIP cards or the American Express Platinum, just like I said, they offer more perks and benefits for a similar or lower annual fee, making the RBC Heavy and Visa Infinite Privilege card less appealing in comparison. Now you can decide to research more on the TD CIBC Airplane VIP card or the Amex Express Platinum card. Another drawback is the points conversion rates. Now there were discussions about the conversion rates of points, okay, with users noting that the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege card may not offer the best value while redeeming points for certain rewards, which further diminishes the attractiveness. All right. Another one is the lack of loyal perks. Even if you're a long-term client or having significant assets with RBC, I've seen a lot of users express their disappointment with the lack of loyalty perks, or even RBC appreciating them from the bank, which may have influenced their perception, okay, about the card's value, and possibly might even push them to keep still having hope regarding the card, but they don't even have any loyalty packs. Okay. Another drawback is the limited lounge access. I think I talked about this earlier, But if I do not, then you need to know that while the card offers 6 airport lounge visits per year, you may find this benefit insufficient, okay, especially compared to other cards that provide unlimited or more extensive lounge access. All right, now booking flexibility also, I've seen a lot of users or card holders mentioned limitation in booking first or business class ticket with points, okay, and you know there are a lot of cards out there that offers better flexibility and value in this regard. All right, now these reasons collectively contribute to the skepticism and dissatisfaction expressed by several other card holders, all right, regarding the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege card, and also some of the ones I've experienced from other people that I know that use this credit card. And this might denote that the card may not provide sufficient value or benefits compared to other options available in the market. All right. Now, talking about my final thought, in my own view, it seems that the RBC Avion, Visa Infinite Privilege card may not offer the best value proposition, okay, compared to other cards, okay, in the market. Now, while it does not come with some benefits such as airport lounge access and expedited security, the high annual fee and limitation in point redemption, among other factors, may kind of make it less appealing to me and also less appealing to several other users. Okay, it actually does. It makes it less appealing because a lot of card holders that I know, they really don't see it encouraging. Even some people that want to try to apply for it, because of all these limitations, they decided to try out several other cards out there, okay, like the American Express Platinum card. Okay, so I would recommend exploring several other alternative. Okay, you can decide to explore other alternative, like the TD or CIBC airplane VIP cards or the American Express Platinum card. I would suggest you try those ones out, although you might still decide to give it a try. Okay, this is just me giving you my honest review here about this card. And those ones, the American Express Platinum card and the TD CIBC airplane VIP card, they offer comparable or even superior benefit for a smaller or lower annual fee. And additionally, considering factors like points flexibility, loyalty perks, and booking flexibility can help you as a courier's card holder make an informed decision when you're choosing a travel credit card that best suits your need and preference. However, if the card's benefit is okay with you, you can equally go for it. But if you need more, okay, with a low annual fee, then I'll suggest you try out other alternative that I talk about in this video tutorial and review. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any experience also with this card, you can let us know in the comment box. It will help a whole lot of people make a good decision and possibly help them to not go the wrong route when it comes to credit card usage. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials. And also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, which is the like button, so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people who might need video tutorials and reviews just like this. And I hope this video is really helpful. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck in your credit card journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.